Hi, thank you for your interest in this Mazak engine lathe. It is 14-inch swing by 40 inches centers. Serial number 102-707-51666. And we do have two of one. They're basically identical. And that's a little do-all 13 by 60 in the back. We're going to look up close at it, and then Frank will run it for us. It looks and sounds very, very good, and it has had limited use. It comes with all the tooling that you'll see, but there's 5 tool holders, Toolpost, a couple chucks. We have a 8-inch 3-jaw Cushman and a 10-inch 4-jaw Cushman, and then the Jacobs drill chuck, etc. Just get up close to the ways, then run it through some spindle speeds.
Alright, that's 76.
76.
It's 317. $198.
That sounds good.
$760. Hi.
And this one does go up to 2,000. That sounds really good.
There's your feed.
Feed to the left.
$1250.
Wow. That's screaming.
$2,000.
Stand back. We appreciate you watching this video, and if we can answer any questions, please give us a call, 801-531-9500. Is there anything else? We're good? Thank you. Adios.